Hello guys. Uh, just today some of you were asking me how you build a mine. So what I've done is I've had a look around and luckily in the game they have a number of caves already. Now this isn't far from my bridge. Just got to, it's somewhere, let me check. It's not far from my bridge. Remember that this is a small village. The people aren't going to be walking very far. So I'll just fly up and I'll show you where my bridge is because it's not that far away. So there's my bridge. Okay. This is where my village is going to be. So I put the mine not far from where the village is. It's up to you. You can put it a little bit further away. You can put it up in some hills. But um, you're gonna find some. You're probably gonna find something like this in your own world if you've used the forest biome. Just remember that this is going to probably be, uh, it's probably going to be inhabited by zombies, but that's okay as long as you're playing in creative mode and not survival mode. Make sure that in your inventory you have some torches, okay, and um, what would also be good is if you could have go into inventory, go to go to this one here. I'm not sure what that one's called, what the tabs are called. Go to rails and pick um, this one because a lot of the mine shafts had rails going into them. And another good thing is if you could have a mine cart. Okay, just a mine cart. All right, like this. Now you could. That's got now just a normal mine cart. We don't want one with anything in it. Okay, so I'm going to start putting my rail in because what happened is that they would actually have rails into the rails into the uh, when I work out my controls again, they actually had carts and that rails going into the mines before the invention of the railroad. So what you got to do is you just got to play around with it and work out the best way to lay them so that they're flat, so that they run alongside each other. It's just trial and error. There we go, like this. Got to be a bit of a descent down here, a bit like the scenic railroad up in the mountains. Okay, so keep going down, keep going down. All right, now I don't, just bear with me, I'm not sure why that didn't decrease down to, okay, so I'm going to delete that and go down, delete that. I know why. Your blocks need to be you need to have your blocks one high so that that works. If you don't have that, you're going to end up encountering what I just encountered. So keep going down with your minecart, making sure that your blocks are only steps like that, one step high. Otherwise, your rail is not going to work. And hoping you don't do what I keep on doing, and that is basically doing the wrong thing. Uh, Now, I did tell you about the torches, making sure you've got the torches. Now, what? That's right, because, okay, so what we might have to do is we might actually have to wall some of the other side up, because it's got, looks like this cave has two entrances, but we'll come to that. Go forth like that. Make sure you've got some more torches. Put another torch up on the wall here. That's it. Now, what you can do then is go into your inventory and just look for some. You should be able to find some coal, and I'm just having a look through. Some coal. There you go. You can just pepper that through your mine. Make sure you grab it, just to make it authentic. I mean, you can just have a hole in the ground and say, hey, this is my coal mine. But if you want it a bit authentic, why not? Why not just add the coal in there? Okay, so I'll drag that down there to where the feather is. I don't know why there's a feather. Maybe I killed the chicken and I didn't realise. Okay, so there's your coal. Just place it liberally through the, go forward, and then, oh, actually it's not working. Right. Maybe that's just for the, maybe you can't do that. All right, so here's your, basically this is your coal mine, okay? All right, so, and you could, the beauty is with this coal mine, it goes for a little bit and you can actually probably build on top of it and you don't even know that there's anything there. So let's go keep exploring. Looks like some coal in the wall here anyway. All right. So it looks like somebody's already, I think somebody's already put torches in the wall here. Maybe one of you guys found it and put torches in the wall when you're on my world. And if you did, thank you. So this is pretty much a subterranean mine here. Okay, so my cart's back up there, so I'm going to continue this later on. But what I suggest you do is just, great, I got lost. I think. There's my rail cart, my rail. I'm going to continue it down further, like this. Get rid of that one there. Then go forward. Now I'll put my cart on there too. And there you go. You can actually get in there and ride in it if you like, when you add it. But remember, the lines aren't powered, so you can't. I don't think it will move you. Okay. And voila, you've got a mine basically. Just what you want. Okay. Hopefully when you're watching this, if you don't know, if you didn't know what to do, hopefully this has helped you. And if not, I apologize. Okay, so now I could probably extend this down as much as I want, but right now I'm just going to leave it where it is, leave it at its height. Not sure why this is not going up. Maybe it doesn't like going up and it only goes down. So let's try and build it up here. Making sure you don't do what I keep on doing, and that's mining instead of placing. It's a bit just annoying doing that. Yeah, that's what we need to do. Okay, so I'll show you. You can actually get in here. You can hop in here, and then you can go forward like this. It takes you down to there, like that. Okay. And you can go back out the way you came. Well, at least I thought you could. But there's your mine. Okay. Just remember where you put it. Okay. Remembering that you can probably build on here. So what you might want to do is actually, just so that you can remember where you put it, is get a signpost. Sign here and make an oak sign. Put it down there with the rotting fleshies. You don't need the rotting flesh. And then just go mine, and then you can go mine. So you can go coal mine. When you so coal mine. Yeah, but seeing the rails there, you'll know that there's a coal mine. Okay, so that's your entrance to the coal mine. You could probably actually make this a more discreet entrance by going forward and placing some blocks here. Make it a more discreet making it more discreet. You'll need to be in flying mode though. So add them here. Like that. Okay. Just to give it, a bit of a more labyrinthian, sort of more subterranean look. Okay. And get out of there. There you go. There's your mine. If you want to, you could probably put grass cover there. Actually, I'll do that later, but there's your mine. Okay, hopefully this was helpful. I'll just check that I can actually go down into there. Whoops. By just hopping down. Hopefully I can wait. Yeah, I will have to get rid of that block because otherwise I can't get down. Alright, okay. Go back that way. Yep, that works. Alright, so hopefully you found this interesting or useful for those of you who didn't know how to do it. If you can't find anything like that, you're going to have to you may have to hollow out your own cave mine by looking for something like this and just digging down until you have a cave system. If you have any problems, just give me a holler when we're in class, or flick me an email, flick me a message on Teams, on our Teams conversation page, and I'll gladly help you out, give you some advice. Tell me what you think of the video if you see it. Don't hesitate to put a like there. Tell or give me some advice saying please don't speak in your videos. Although that's not going to be very informative. But okay, so that's our second tutorial. Let's build a mine. Okay, and I'll see you tomorrow in class, guys.